Today we want to give an example of an IVT transmission come out of a tractor that had a cab fire. Fire got down onto the transmission. Didn't feel like we could sell it complete. So we've taken it apart, inspected all the gears, shafts, etc. There's even a testing procedure for this module that we can test. On your covers, it's going to have spools or certainly solenoids on it. We typically just leave them complete so that it doesn't get anything inside of it. That's just pieces that if you buy those parts, you're going to want to take them apart and clean them out just like you would if you had contamination inside or metal inside of the transmission. So we sell these in major components, the way that they fail. So obviously the module sells complete, but we sell the planetary carrier with, it comes as one complete shaft, not assembled, but we leave the carrier together, just like you see it. Comes with this housing, and I think the big one on the left, I'd have to look it up, but same thing here. We're gonna get into this shaft here can come out, but when we take this shaft out, all that would stay together. Just kind of like your synchronizers on your, leave all those together. So we don't sell a lot of individual components, but we sell sort of a, bulk them together, kit them together. So IVT from a 90/30 all the way up through, certainly through 89 or 8370R, the internals are the same. How it bolts up is a little different, so the housing is different. You'll get into some part numbers being different, but that's not such a huge deal. We can help you overcome that part of it. Right now, I know Deere's out of stock, or you can't get a reman, you can't get a new. We have the same problem everyone else. We don't have anybody that can build one. Or wants to build one, maybe, I should say. So we're just gonna piece them out, sell you the parts, save you some money, get you back up and going. If we can help you out, let us know.